Hi guys, so welcome back to another Webtoon Artist Ramble video. Today we're going to talk about 3D objects. More specifically, where you can find, or where I look for 3D models or 3D materials or backgrounds, whichever 3D assets basically for Clip Studio Paint. Because I use 3D backgrounds to help me with my backgrounds. I'm sounding redundant. So just a quick example, here's a 3D background. This is what it looks like. See, I can move it, boom, boom, boom. And then I can draw over it. I can export it, save it as a raster file, however you say that word. And then I could draw on top of it. But anyways, so that's what I use 3D files for. I will show you where you can actually, or where like 3 places that I go to get mine. The first one, not everybody, but it comes with the program, is what I'm trying to say. You can actually find more 3D materials within the asset button. Let me go back over here. When you click here and click there, you can find more materials there. If you don't see this, if you can't find this area, just go to here. I've done this before. I can do this again. Hold on. Ha, there we are. Materials, just click that and it pulls it up for you. So just click this and it'll take you right to the actual, this looks like another section of the studio, but you can access it within the program here, and you can type in here. If you want free ones, they have free 3D models that you can download. If you have money and you can pay for their golds, they also have the gold ones you can download. So these are 3D object, 3D characters. I like to do the 3D objects, which usually has a 3D background. Also, I like to do the free version because you should already know. Also, you can of course go to their, too many tabs are up. This is just like my brain, too many tabs. You can also go or access their assets on their website. Here are 2 other places. CGTrader. I also use this website, and as well as TurboSquid. So with CGTrader, I'm not going to go into a big spiel on this because, I just find stuff and I'm like, oh, this works. I like when I find stuff, I like if it's easy to search for things. And it is. I could just type in architect, I type in free, and then they also have different license. Is this a no, that's attributes. What in the world? Exclude editorials. They have different licenses that you can check or click. And then I don't know what the poly count is, but you can also pick the format. I'll cover what formats you can import or can be used with Clip Studio Paint in my next video. So just for today, we're just going to cover where you can actually find more 3D backgrounds. So Clip Studio Paint's own assets. CGTrader, they have a great search option. I love it. You can search through the formats. If you care about poly count, don't know what that is, license, all that. It's just I like CGTrader. And then also TurboSquid. TurboSquid's search feature is really good too. This is their front page. So if I just want no nonsense, you can type in free also, which I love. That was already clicked, so it knows me very well. Also formats, licenses. Ooh, it has animated ones. Okay. I don't fool with all that. I just focus on the other ones. So let's just click. I more so use 3D backgrounds for my buildings because I don't want to have to go through. I don't want to have to think. Don't make me think. I want to just tell the story. All my brain power is going into telling a story. But either way, don't be like me, because I'm different. I'm me. I'm chaotic. Ooh, that's their front page. Okay, let me stop clicking around stuff. Let me focus. This wouldn't be a Webtoon artist ramble moment if I wasn't rambling. So this is where you can go. These are the 3 places that I go. This is where you can go if you're looking for more 3D backgrounds for or 3D assets, 3D models, 3D objects, whichever, for Clip Studio Paint. This was a short and simple, to the point video. I am proud of myself. Yay me. And oh darn it, I don't know how to end this. I'll be back with another video. Make sure you're subscribed so you can check out the next video where I'm talking about, what am I talking about? Oh, how to import 3D objects and what 3D file formats are accepted by Clip Studio Paint. Okay, thank you again so much for watching, you guys. I hope you found this helpful in some kind of way. I will talk to you again in the next video. Bye!